viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Rahul with us from Adani Solar. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, can you just let us know about any new launches this year in 2024?
We just wanted to share with your viewers and your audience that Adani Solar has gone ahead with its expansion plans, and we are currently 4 gigawatts of capacity, both cells and modules. We are increasing that to 10 gigawatts very soon. So in the next year, we will be reaching 10 gigawatts of module manufacturing, and post that within the next 6 to 8 months, we will also reach 10 gigawatts of cell manufacturing. In terms of new products or new launches, we are not very big on introducing any new technology right now. But what we are going to do is introduce rectangular wafers and cells and modules based on rectangular wafers. This will be launched and offered to customers basis order booking that we have starting from April 2025.
That's great, sir. Everyone is aware of Adani as a brand, but if I talk about in the solar industry itself, so what's the technology Adani has come up with and how it differs from others?
So, like I said, the differentiation is not really about technology. The differentiation is in the approach that Adani Solar has taken. It is the only manufacturer in the country today that makes ingots and wafers. It is maybe the only manufacturer in the country that has a fully integrated capacity of cells and modules. So while we have 4 gigawatts of modules, we also have 4 gigawatts of cell manufacturing. Most other players in the country would not have equivalent capacity of cell manufacturing. Country is deficit on cell manufacturing capacities today. Adani has always maintained that whatever module manufacturing capacity we create, we also create equivalent cell manufacturing. And that's the plan that we have even for future. As we expand our capacities to 10 gigawatts, we will have 10 gigawatts plus of cell manufacturing and 10 gigawatts plus of module manufacturing. So the approach or the strategy that we have followed is of an integration between cells and modules, and that is what we will continue to adopt. We are also the only manufacturer in the country that has ingots and wafers manufacturing. So our approach is to go backward into the supply chain as much as we can and make India independent of this in the perspective of supply chain, and we're taking steps towards ensuring that happens.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about, as you said, for the expansion, so if we talk about the expansion, in which all, are we planning for international, we have already planned for international countries, or we are stick to the state level itself?
So in terms of the capacity that we have, some part of this capacity we use for serving international markets. So we've developed our exports order book also very well, and it's a very healthy balance between exports and domestic. We are serving the domestic market as per the requirements, and we are also planning exports wherever we can earn good foreign exchange for the country. We are focusing on developing the exports market. We'll continue to create a good balance between exports and domestic market.
And what are the plans for upcoming year 2025 in the solar industry itself?
So by end of 2025, we will be 10 gigawatts of module manufacturing. Of course, during the year, we will have 4 gigawatts of cell and module both available. And we will be moving into G12R or the rectangular wafer from a product standpoint before the mid of the year. So those are the key plans for the business. Of course, we have a strong order book going into 2025 and for 2026 too.
And how do you see the Indian solar market? Is it competitive enough, or as many players are coming in, joining the solar industry from different business backgrounds? So now, from different business industries, they are jumping into the solar industry. So how competitive it will be?
So it's a very good market that you could say from a solar perspective. It's a very good market in India. There are good tailwinds that are helping this market move forward in terms of the targets that the government has set. So there will be a lot of demand emanating for solar products in the country. For manufacturers who have proven themselves in terms of product, processes, quality, and who offer, because this product is a product that has like 30 years warranty associated with it. So obviously the brands that offer the trust and faith in customers that they would be around for 30 years, for fulfilling warranty claims for 30 years, will have a will be more preferred, and brands that are coming in but are not serious will face some challenges, is what I can say. But yes, when you see an industry grow fast, it does mean that there is success that has been tasted in the industry, and that the market and demand is good for the industry, which is what will attract more players into the industry. So the very fact that you're asking there are so many people coming in means that the market is good and will continue to remain so for the future. For brands that are here for a long term and are serious in terms of what they are committing to the market and what they're delivering to the market, this is a very good market.
And lastly, I would like what's your expectation from the government itself if we talk particularly for the solar industry itself?
So the government has done all the right things for us, and we are thankful to the government. So the Prime Minister Surya Ghar Yojana, Muft Bijli Yojana, that's been a great success. We've been a great contributor to that business or that market segment. We're aligned to help the country get to the 1 crore solarized homes vision of the Prime Minister, and we will continue to support with products available for that segment. On the manufacturing side also, the government has taken the right steps in terms of both demand drivers and supply protection to some extent. So I think the government has done its bit, and we just wish and desire and pray to the government that they continue to support the manufacturing industry to help India become energy independent.
It was nice talking to you, sir. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.